What are you doing?
It's finally here.
What's here?
I'm finally pulling the rear. I'm Pontiac.
Good. You got all your parts?
I sure do. I got the axles.
I saw these yesterday.
Those are not just regular stock axles for my Oldsmobile and Pontiac 9 Plus rear.
These things are juiced.
Those are tippy top for drag racing.
Heavy duty.
Just...
You can even do, if I'm not wrong, you can even do upgrades. These things will hold anything.
Right.
Right?
Exactly. These aren't heavy duty. They are the next size up.
Tell them
I think they're considered super duty.
I got you. No, but they're as strong as you can make them. Let's put it
exactly. I also have my unbreakable studs.
These are your lug nuts.
Exactly. Now,
all right.
Here's the thing. I understand it's a 14-second car, but these axles are more than enough for a 14-second car. But
they're by far.
When I turn 16, I can do a 14-second car.
Yeah, and you don't have to mess with the rear. You'll be all set.
I'll do it once.
You find out what rear you got in this car? What ratio?
I actually checked it yesterday. It's 488s.
That's huge.
It's a big gear.
You gotta run 8 mile?
I gotta run 8 mile.
And not quarter mile? Not right.
When I turn 14, I can run in the quarter.
And you'll be ready to just put more horsepower to it and everything
will
be ready.
I still can't run 10s.
What can you run at 16?
14, I go in the quarter. 14.
Oh, you could run it. You're gonna have to change the ratio of the rear.
Slightly.
This is a little heavy duty.
Not to mention my trans that I'm getting, it's a short
ratio.
Short ratio.
For the 8th, it's all right.
For the 8th,
and
it's
then
fine.
see how you do.
Right now, what I have to do is I need to unload the springs. Because if not, if I just take them out, they're going to shoot out.
Yeah, I knew a kid that really hurt him. I knew a kid that really hurt himself with that.
Yeah.
Because of the spring shot out of nowhere or whatever the case is.
Yeah, he couldn't do some anymore.
So what are you going to do now? Yeah. What's this?
Isn't that his thumb with the thumb?
Oh, because they fused everything together. No, but he wasn't like, I'm going to take the oil pan off. He was like, you know. It was a little different than that.
What did
you like that? Hey, who's the last camera guy? What was the name?
Steve.
Steve, you think that's funny, huh? Let's get it on! What's that from? Let's get it on!
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Good.
How you making out under there?
Good, taking the other side out.
Yeah?
How you making out?
You need help?
Nah, I think I'm okay. How you making out?
Good, not bad. I'm doing a little of this.
A little whack.
A little of that. Filthy. You almost done?
Almost.
Is it out?
It sure is.
All right.
Can you help me up?
Sure.
Here, grab my hand. Grab my hand. No! Not on the floor.
I helped you up.
I feel like I owed them off.
Were you on your neck?
Huh?
Were you on your neck?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
I got whiplash. I got
black whip. You're filthy, dude. Go ahead. Go ahead. Down you go. This side's binding. This side's getting caught.
Are you gonna get this again?
It's stuck. Can you go underneath it? Pull it out.
You're gonna
behind
start
the
like...
rear. One side, the stud is holding on to the rear somewhere.
I think that'll be alright. Put it behind the backing plate.
Bang! Scared you again? You know, I like Jeff and Leroy better. Steve's he gets mad. Now, here's what you need. Now you got all the load off. Now you need your transmission jack.
Can you clean this up while I go get it?
No.
Thank you.
I can't actually, because I get dizzy. Okay. Ah! of dizzy.
Now I gotta take the bolt out for this control arm on both sides, and I got a 5/8 on this control arm, and I got 11/16 down here. So.
And actually, the spring rests on the actual control arm.
Right, exactly. So.
Yeah, they're hanging out. You know, these cars X-frame cars had problems. The shock would break sometimes, or you get a rust problem. You'd go over like a bump and stuff, and you'd hear this noise while you're driving.
And there's a spring.
A spring would shoot out, and the car would be all crooked and stuff.
Good.
Hey, Sippy boy! It came off.
Where'd the nut go? Oh.
I'll tell you where it went. Oh, mama.
Why are the lights broken again?
We loosened it over here.
The light's broken again.
It works with one battery?
Yeah.
Alright.
You're supposed to slide it back and then slide it back in.
It's done, look, it's good. Oh, I see.
You're supposed to put it in.
I see, said the blind man. My way's better. Go. And just take that one e-brake cable off and you'll be all set.
Put pressure on that stud, and I'm gonna loosen it, and then basically you're out.
Go get the slide hammer. Nice and slow. Down you go. Down you go. Down you go. Alright, down you go. Alright, stop.
You got extension cords.
And there you have it. See how easy that was? What's everybody complaining about over here? Okay, it's out. Lower the car.
Well, there you go. Rear's out of the Pontiac.
Good. So what's next?
Next, you gotta strip it. Take everything apart.
You gonna paint this thing when you put it back in?
Yeah, you gotta paint it. I mean, it's already out.
Big rear, man. Big.
Yeah, 9+. Only the best.
I think it says on it, 9+, 9-inch. You know why these rears were so desirable back in the day for drag racing?
Yeah, you can put a huge ring and pinion in it. 488, you could put anything, really. Except, you know, other rears are only like 8-inch. You can only go so big. These, you can... Other rears were like weak. They were like 7-inch. These, you can't... These are untouchable. These are strong as can be.
Beat these things.
Yeah. Right now, this has 488. Big gear.
I hope it's gonna be okay with the trans you got.
Well, hey, worst case scenario, you change the gear. You put like a 411 or something.
We'll find out.
As we always say in Giuseppe's Garage.
What's that? What are you, a news anchor? What are you gonna tell me the weather? Taking over the world.
One set of rears taken out of a Pontiac at a time.
Get out of here.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.